Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to start selling your Printful design on Etsy in 2023. So first of all guys, I will need you to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything and you have everything going correctly and fine. And of course, if you had and faced any kind of problems or errors, make sure to leave them down below so I can share with you the solution of that problem. Now, without any further talking, let's go ahead and start with this video. First of all, guys, I will need you to go to Printful. So let's get to there and let's connect to our account through here. Now, here we go. And I have already an account, so I have already connected to my store. Now, in order for us to actually start selling Printful design on Etsy, we will need to have some product templates or some products in our account. So let's make like a product. Let's make here product templates and create your first product templates. So here I'm going to choose a product, for example. I'm going to use it on a hat. So let's make it over here and let's choose this one. And okay, I'm going for this one, I think. All right, let's go for this one. Now, what I'm going to do is start making some edits on this hat. How to do that? Just pick an image from your own gallery and add it into it. So you don't need it to be that good. Just like that, something like so. Let's click on continue. And here I'm going to add the name. So hat for Etsy. And here save product templates. And here we go. Now, what we need to do after we have created our first product, now let's go to etsy.com. So let me just remove all of this link, and here we go. Now go ahead and log into your account. As you can see, I have our account already, and then go back to here. Go to this section over here, so stores. From here, choose platform. Here I'm going to connect with Etsy, so let's click on connect. And you can just follow this to connect. So click on to connect on to Etsy, allow access, and here we go. This account has no associated Etsy.com stores, so make sure that your account has an access to a store in Etsy. So how we can do that? That's pretty easy. Go to your Etsy accounts. From here, go to Shop Manager. And of course, here you must fill all of these informations. So let's try to make it fast and how we can fill all of this. So let's choose, for example, here photo. Let's choose this one. Let's go all the way down. Listing details. So let's name everything tutorial. So who made this? So I did. I finished products. Or let's make this something like that. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person, and when was it made? Made to order. And here I'm going to choose, for example, men, hat, and something like that. Here I'm going to ignore all of these because they are not necessary. Here, physical, and here, hat for men. And here nothing is necessary. Here the price, so let's put here, for example, 30 bucks. Here the quantity is 19.99, and here optional, let's leave it empty. And here shipping options, so I will enter fixed prices manually. Country of origin, everything is like that. Let's make, for example, here the country, which is Morocco for me. So let's go all the way down and search for this. Make here 90k, and here I'm going to choose happy service, other, delivery time, 2, and here 2, 3. Here fixed price, so let's make a fixed price, so free shipping. Here we can choose United States, other, 7 days to 15. Here free shipping, fixed price, let's make it 10 to 20, or let's make it 10 as well. So here I'm going to choose everywhere else. Let's make it around 15 to 13. And here, of course, free shipping as well. And after that, I feel like everything has been correctly answered. So here I was just return exchange. So apply simple policy. and then click on save and continue to publish fix shipping. Let's go to here. Okay, processing time 2 business day, and here save and continue. Now let's go ahead and click on um, how will you get paid. So let's click on it. Let me just log into my account. Here we go. And from here, guys, all you need to do is add the payment method. So here, masters, so it's here file into the category business or individual. So I'm going to choose individual. Here, guys, what you need to do is click on country of residence. So make sure to choose everything correctly here and choose, of course, your payment method. So I'm going to choose something random. Here, taxpayer number, street name, etc. Here, everything you must answer correctly without any problems. And here, where is your bank located? Let's choose the country of mine, which is Morocco. Here, the bank name, and here like the rib of your account. So you must put here the number or number of your accounts, and of course make sure that everything here is correctly done. So here put the month, the day, and the year. So make sure to fill everything here up. So here the number, the street name, and when you click on save and continue, they will take you to set up the billing and then your shop security. So you just have to fill some information about your billings and the next thing, which is your shop security. So you will add some information, for example some two-factor authentication for your account and some actual privacy policy details for your shop security. And after you're done with all of that, make sure to go back to your Etsy account, go back to dashboard. So here we go, and as you can see, guys, here I'm going to simply click on stores again, and from here choose platform, and of course click on connect to for Etsy, and here you start click on connect to Etsy. As you can see here, click on allow access, and then they will show you something like that. Here, assign product and upload print files. So to start accepting orders, you need to upload the print files for the product you wish to process with Printful, and that's it. So that is pretty much it, guys. Once more, I will just give you a brief about what we talked about in this video. First of all, you have to create an account in Printful, so you have this dashboard, and then the second thing, go to products and make your own products on here. And when you finish with that, make sure to go to Etsy and make your account, and of course create your own shop on Etsy. You will go through all of these process from shop preferences, name your shop, stock your shop, and how you get paid, set up billings, and finally your shop security. After you finish with that, go to your Printful account, go to stores, and then choose this option, which is choose your stores platform, choose platform, and then connect it with Etsy. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. So yeah, guys, if you had any problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section so I can give you a solution, and see you guys in the next video.